this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location, is nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and ratings online. Our reviews its review rating is 9.8, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The benefits of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Facilities and offers are available online for this property, along with various plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this property, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already stayed in this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming property.